Welcome to the More Than Money series. Kung gusto mong mag-invest pero hindi mo alam kung paano talaga magsimula, gawin natin simple at practical. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Ano ang brokerage? Para siyang middleman na nagbibigay sa iyo ng access para bumili at magbenta ng investments. Kung nasa Amerika, isang example ay Fidelity. Kung nasa Philippines, may COL Financial. At kung nasa Middle East, for example UAE, may Interactive Brokers which provides access to international markets and UAE stocks. Examples lang ito. Always check kung regulated at available ang broker sa country where you live. Step 2. Fund your account. I-link mo ang bank account mo at mag-transfer ng amount na comfortable ka. Hindi mo kailangan magsimula ng malaki. Now let's actually buy something. Step 3. Let's say gusto mong bumili ng stock. For example, Apple. Hindi mo kailangang i-type palagi ang buong pangalan. Every publicly traded company has a ticker symbol. Example, Apple. Apple is AAPL. Microsoft is MSFT. Amazon is AMZN. Tesla is TSLA. So sa brokerage app, i-search mo lang, halimbawa, AAPL. Makikita mo ang Apple stock. Piliin mo kung magkano o ilang shares ang gusto mong bilhin. Review your order and then place the trade. Kapag na-execute ang order, congratulations! You now own a small piece of Apple.